Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create presets in different plugins in Logic Pro X. So let's say that I have a sound here in this plugin here. Okay, so I just pick something here. Let's say that I want some strings. All right, let's play it. Like that. And now I want to make some different settings. Let's say that I want to back off of this pluck, make the saw a bit louder, and let's say that I want some more delay. Yeah, just messing around with some different settings here. And I want to save this as a preset, so I don't have to go over everything if I want to choose this sound again. So this is very easy to do in Logic Pro X. So you just go here, press save, and then you're just renaming this to your own, my own 12 strings. So now I can just go on here and I will find my presets above these other presets that comes with this plugin. So let's say that I want to choose something else here. And now I want to go back to my sound. And now we have my own preset here.